How to remove AppCloud from any Samsung phone. This system app automatically installs apps without your permission and also sends notifications. First, open Settings, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Then tap on the sort icon and enable the Show System Apps toggle. After that, search for AppCloud and tap on it. Go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Then go back and simply uninstall AppCloud. This will completely remove AppCloud from your Samsung phone. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.